Ouch! Di na uy!
But fraternities and sororities may have a bad image on people, negative publicity, pero pretty much nagiging stereotype na lang.
Kaya nga po, pero nangyayari naman yan sa lahat eh. Say sa PMA, ROTC, varsity, and other college organizations, maraming irregularities.
But not in all college organizations.
And not in all fraternities and sororities.
Tama, iba na kasi ngayon.
But there are incidences of frat violence, di po ba?
Well, not all organizations are perfect, but pretty much they are isolated cases.
Pero sa bagay, may mga instances kasi na hindi na talaga maiiwasan mangyari yung mga ganung bagay.
I believe naman na kayang iwasan ang bad incidents.
As sa current trend ng fraternities and sororities in general, I believe they're really trying everything to prevent this negative things from
Hindi
happening.
na nga daw uso yung pa-hazing at rumble-rumble ng mga frat ngayon.
Tama. Actually, hindi na nga uso yan. I'm very impressed na malawak na yung pananaw nyo with regards to fraternities and sororities.
Pero totoo po bang wala ng hazing or violence sa mga fraternities ngayon?
Well, to start with, there's this law, anti-hazing law, na tinatag noong 90s. And maraming sa mga organizations ngayon, hindi lang naman sakop ng fraternity and sorority, na pinoprotektahan yung mga karapatan ng mga kabataan, ng mga estudyante na sumasali sa mga ganung klaseng mga organisasyon, fraternity, sororities, kahit sa mga regular na college organizations or clubs. When you go throughout neophyte stage, it would test your determination to join, yung mga values mo, value formation, lahat na yan, natututunan yan ng isang neophyte o isang aplikante pagsali ng isang organization, and very memorable yung experiences. You can gain a lot of friends na for a lifetime magiging brothers at sis nyo sila.
Okay pala yun.
Okay pala.
Bukod sa natututunan mo sa eskwelahan, marami ka ring matututunan sa pagsali mo sa isang grupo.
It's also a campus organization, but more specific because there is a real sense of brotherhood and camaraderie, or sisterhood and camaraderie in these campus organizations.
Well, fraternities and sororities, sadly, is being compared by the media or the law enforcement authorities as similar to gangs. But this should not be.
Fraternities exist because of some principles and ideals. They get together, no? Firstly, to enjoy each other's company. So how can it be bad? Diba? And these fraternities, let's just distinguish this from gangs. I mean, there are gangs who band together to do things which may not necessarily be acceptable to society, no? But that's not how fraternity is.
Ang fraternity ay dapat tingnan as opportunity to develop yung isang karakter ng isang tao.